Using this document of a quad-rotor UAV design, let's take a quick look at some of the ways to collaborate using Onshape. The first step is to share your document. From the Share button, you can enter the email addresses of everyone that you would like to be able to work with you. It doesn't matter whether they have an Onshape account or not. If they don't, we'll set up a free one for them. At the same time, you can specify how they can access the document. Read-only, full edit rights, and optionally, the ability to reshare. What's nice about this is that at any time you can remove access by simply deleting their name from this list, ensuring that a contractor or business partner no longer has access to your intellectual property. Once shared, collaboration becomes spontaneous. At any time, anyone that has been shared in may enter the document and work with you. Here, we are working on the upper central base plate, editing the lightning reliefs. Let's see what happens when Don joins us. We note from simple visual cues that Don has entered the document. He has uploaded a standard battery pack that he is considering. It happens to be in SolidWorks format, and while Don is working on that problem, we can move forward with the editing of the lightning reliefs. Each of us is working simultaneously in the same document. Let's switch over now to the main assembly tab, where we see that Don has inserted the new battery pack. Each of us can work and see changes in real time anywhere in the document. We can work on the same assembly, the same part, and even the same sketch. Now, what happens if we don't want to work simultaneously with someone? What if instead we wanted to work independently to evaluate a design concept or potential change, and then merge some or all of those ideas back into the main design? From the version manager, you can create branches from any named state, forking the design at that point and enabling parallel independent development efforts. Here we are creating two branches. One arbitrarily for assembly changes, and the other for geometry development. Remember, the benefit is the ability for groups to work on the same design independently and to evaluate competing or what-if scenarios. Let's work now logged in as Don and make some changes. On the geometry branch, Don would like to add some fillets to the horizontal arm plate. We can imagine that he and others have now made multiple edits and that we should now mark this new state as a version. Switching now to the assembly branch, we see Don adding a 12 kV 28 amp brushless motor to the arm and motor subassembly. We are not going to version these changes quite yet, as we may not be done. Returning now to our original user and his work on the main branch, we can see that none of these changes just made are reflected here yet. As a result of a design review, we may now wish to incorporate the changes from one or more branches. To do this, we go to the version manager and invoke the merge capability. Merging takes as input any other branch or named state and intelligently incorporates the differences between the workspace on the current branch and that other workspace or named state. Here, we are merging from the geometric edits state into the main branch. One more time. Here we are merging from the assembly branch workspace into the main branch. As a result of these operations, we see that the geometric changes Don made have now been incorporated into our design. Here are the fillets he added. And the brushless motors that were added in the other branch are now also present in our top-level assembly. Branching and merging is a great way to bring others into your design process and enable them to contribute in parallel. Some of the concepts shown in this video may be new to you, but please take a few minutes to try them for yourself and see how easy collaborating with Onshape can be by sharing documents with coworkers and business partners, using simultaneous editing to work a problem together and in real time, using branched editing to work on alternate solutions or develop multiple products in parallel, and merging to pick and choose the best solutions and propagate changes across product lines.